Hello all. Okay, here we have another long overdue video. My apologies to those who enjoy these, and in fact I enjoy doing them. It's for no other reason than the fact that I get very busy and of course distracted. But anyway, here we have a 1982 Rolls-Royce Camargue, and this is a very spectacular car in the sense that we fully restored her. Now, first thing you might notice, she's a Euro spec, easily identified by these rather odd but very cute headlight brushes. In fact, these were damaged on this car, and we were very lucky to be able to source, can you believe it, genuine new old stock units, so they look great. So, pretty much a ground up restoration. The car was originally white. I know some purists might say it's not good to change colour, but this particular owner had seen a previous Camargue that we had done. Some of you might recall it. It was a 76 that was restored in this dark blue with the burgundy or dark red leather, and he wanted the same. So this car was originally white, and it had a dark blue interior. And I'm sure you'd agree, this has turned out absolutely beautifully. Look at this. When we reupholstered this, we used factory correct Connolly Nuella hides. People don't realize that you can still buy Connolly hide. Silver Shadows had a type of hide that was known as Vormal, but Camargue's had a unique leather that was called Nuella, Nuella. And this is Nuella hides. Look at that. Very happy with the result. Got all the crowns right, the shape of the seat, these intentional folds. Of course, the leather is super soft. So there she is in dark blue, with a very elegant single red fine line. We've actually got a couple of little things left to do to her, but we're kind of like 98% there. Look how darling she looks. We had to even found some new lenses, a whole bunch of things. Really went to town on this car. Look at that interior. And so that was all new leather, brand new carpets. We only used the correct factory Wilton wool, which we did there. Wood was polished, refinished as required. Everything's just come out so nice. Now the other thing is, for those of you who don't know, this car runs the Solex 4-barrel carburetor. They did this for the European market, Australia and Japan, where, being an early 80s car in the US, this would have been a fuel-injected car. And prior to that, like the 76 we had previously, would have been the SU carburetors. So the SU carburetors, in essence, ties in with the SY technology, being Silver Shadow. So you had SU carburetors with the 363 hydraulic system. And then when they went to after 80, Camargues and Corniches followed suit with the SZ cars, being the Spirits, Spurs and Bentley equivalents, whereby they switched to fuel injection in the US and mineral oil as the basis for the hydraulic system. So this car has the mineral oil, but because being a European car, it has the Solex full barrel carburetor. And it wasn't until 86, I think late 85 for the Camargue, but 86 for the rest of the world when it came to SZ, Spirit Spur, Corniche, that the entire world was then running fuel injection. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Like always, for those who don't know me, you can always reach out to me at park-ward.com.